Today we're going to show you how to install a Susan into the cabinet on the job site. The two trays will go in there on the bar, and I'm going to assemble it, but I first want to show you how this piece goes. This goes between the two trays. So this will actually go with this notch up, and then I want to show you how it goes. The pin will go in here like this. There we go. And then this fits into a slot there. So you turn it until it falls in a slot, and that'll be rigid. So that will get put in once the trays are in the cabinet. So I'm going to take it apart. The next thing I'll do is put the trays together. It doesn't matter which tray goes on top, they're identical. So I'm going to put one tray in like this. I'm going to now put this piece on. It goes in between, again with this dip that's in it, towards the upper tray. So it'll fit like that. I'm going to put the second tray on. I'm going to pull the pipe all the way back this way. We'll go up to the cabinet. We'll put them both in together like this. We'll go in here like this. I'll push the pipe all the way through. So now I can pull it in, put it in like this. I can lift it up, and I will set it right down here into that slot down there. Like that. Then I'm going to take this short pipe right here and insert it to the receiving plug on the top, and I will tighten the screw. Like that. Then I will take this pin that we talked about. I'm going to raise this tray up to the height that I want. I'm going to raise this up. I typically put it in the middle one. I'll put it on there, and I'll rotate this till it drops down in like we talked about. That will find the center of the, there we go, right there. So that's there it is now. I'll turn the pipe until this tray is in the correct location in the opening where we want it. So you can turn it like this. So I'm turning the pipe is loose. I'll then raise this tray up and tighten the pipe. Like that. I'll drop this down, and this tray's already down there as well in the notch. And they both will come back, and this will come back and fall into place. So that's how you do it.